Hi, I'm Darryl from Fulcrum Suspensions, and today we have a brand new VF Club Sport that we're going to fit the front and rear sway bars to. And we just thought we'd show the quick and easiest way to fit those sway bars. On the front, remove the right hand front radius rod, the left hand front radius rod and the left hand lower control arm. That clears the way for ease of fitment. First of all, removing the original bar is a little bit fiddly, but it's possible and it can be done without removing anything else but those particular control arms. Once that bar's out, we get the new bar, we feed that back in. As you can see, that was pretty damn easy to feed that in. Just one more little tip, the mesh that we supply with the sway bars, leave it on the sway bar as you're fitting it. It just helps stops the scratching of the powder coat and also other parts of the vehicle as well.